good. It's on the red eye.
Look at this. Very beautiful. And me and our family are going swimming. Here's my mom. Here's Jiraiya. Atilani. My dad's getting the chairs to sit down in the scene. Look at how beautiful. And it's cold here. My sister's gonna feel good. Everybody, 10,000 likes to let her go into the cold water. 3, 2, 1. Right, come on,
what do you do, Jiraiya?
We showed you my disappointment idea. Here, look at dirty.
Hey, watch out! Don't bury him in the sand now. Not too much. Oh, he's going in his eyes. Oh no, he's going in his eye. Look at that. He's only in one teeth. 3 teeth. Look at that. Oh, the other one's coming out. Look, oh man. It's a beautiful day here in Honolulu, Hawaii. This beach is called Alamoana Beach. I'm gonna tag it if you ever come to Hawaii. You gotta visit this beach and visit when you come home. That area is called Magic Island. On that side, you can see a tip of Diamond Head up there. And that hotel down there, the Rainbow, is called Hilton Point Village. It's cold? It's cold? You're not gonna go in? Alright, let me just test the water here. See if it's cold. Oh man, it's nice and warm. Nah, the water feels good. It's warm. Nice warm water. As you can see, it's low tide right now. You can see the reef right there. There's a reef that stretches from right here all the way down to over here. When it's high tide, those reef right there is not visible. But yeah, it's kind of overcast here in Hawaii, but it's still warm. It's 80 degrees, 83 degrees. And this is Jeremiah. What are you doing, Jeremiah?
Bury my own self.
Okay.
Daddy, bury me.
Let's bury him in the sand. Let's go.
Bury my arms too.
Up. 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 Watch out, they call him the one teeth man.
Hey.
One thing good about here, Hawaii, the sand is real nice and
Nice and smooth.
real nice and smooth. Yeah, the sand, yeah.
Felt very good.
Yeah. Watch out, watch the goggles. You don't want to lose these goggles.
What's happening here?
Help, Jared, come help me bury your brother. Let's bury Maya.
I'm still eating my
What are you eating?
chips.
Chips.
Aloha chips.
Aloha chips. And where are we at?
Sandy Beach.
Sandy Beach. No, it's not Sandy. We're at Alamoana Beach. You said Sandy Beach. Beep. Wrong. All right.
Guys,
close how the beaches look here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Oh, look at this guy. He's covered with sand. His face, his neck, his whole body. See you later. Let's go jump in the water, right? Right? You jump in that cold water? Okay, get up, get up. Oh no. Let's go, let's get up, up. You okay?
That's my workout.
That's your workout? That's your workout for the day? Alright. Okay, let's continue cruising the beach. Jeremiah, it's kind of chilly. Kita is kind of chilly, the water, but I tested it out earlier. It isn't that chilly, the water. The water's not that chilly, yeah? I'm not sure. Oh, it's a treasure. Look at the treasure. Oh, somebody's papers. So how do you feel like? How do you feel living in Hawaii, Jeremiah? Very good, yeah. Nice weather, yeah. Nice people, and awesome food.
Let's take a break and sit down.
Okay, take a break then. We'll take a what? How many minutes break?
5 minutes.
5 minutes break.
No, 10 hours break.
No, 10 hours break. No, let's take a 5 minute break. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, break. All right, we're almost there. We're heading towards the cliff area of Magic Island. I want to go check out those waves down there. Barely can see it, but when you get up close, you'll be able to get a more clearance of the waves. But right now it's winter time in Hawaii, so if you go to the North Shore, it's pretty big down there as far as waves. But this is a good park, beach park to hang out on the weekends, weekdays. Come over here, you can do your daily exercise as far as jogging. But we like to come here on Fridays where we watch the fireworks here. That's it. But this guy's complaining, saying he's tired. You tired?
No.
Huh?
Let's go back where I'm feeling hungry.
Hungry? This guy saying hungry. What you hungry for?
For French?
French fries and what?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Oh my God! Surprisingly, asking for one. Calbee plate.
What's a cowboy?
Calbee plate, the one you like to eat. That's what's called Calbee plate. All right, let's go. Walk. No, watch out, watch behind you. Whoa, flash, go. Let's go, let's catch up. Let's go. You wanna run? You wanna race? Let's go. Let's go. Alright, now. After this Las Vegas trip, you stay tuned. We get more vlogs, especially going to Las Vegas. We'll be leaving probably 2 weeks from now. So after we go back, we're gonna be going to the Big Island.
Hey guys,
the Big Island.
We need to. If we find puddles right there, that's where the hermit crab is.
The hermit crab, yeah, the hermit crab belongs only there. Okay, let's go walk more down over there. See if we find any hermit crabs. Okay, let's go.
What's the?
Let's go walk straight ahead. Let's walk straight ahead. Let's go
Don't
wash it.
use all your breath.
Don't run. Let's go.
Let's do the easy way. Let's run.
No, watch out.
We can have how deep it is.
It's not that deep over, it's shallow. As soon as you go further over the blue, that's where it's deep right now. Let's go. Check it out. It's kind of choppy right there. Look at that. Choppy down there. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go on the sidewalk now.
She's about your slippers. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's go. Come on. People surf right here. Right now it's low tide, so you won't be able to see surfers out here. It's kind of choppy the wave. But if you look, yeah, right here.
Wow, it is. There's so much turtles over here. That means there's flying hermit crabs over here.
Hermit crab. Okay, let's relax right here. Kick back. Okay, watch out now. Let's not go down there. But this is where you normally get the nice sunset in the afternoon. Right there. Ooh, beautiful right there. And everybody asks, oh, how we get our goods as far as like food, every household. That's always coming to the island right here. Transport to all. Everything's all transporting to the island right there. See it right there? All the way down there. Pasha, Matson. Here's a nice shot. How you like it? Enjoy living in Hawaii, yeah?
Very better than Las Vegas.
Nah, Las Vegas is kind of like this. Yeah, Las Vegas is good for vacation, but Hawaii is good for live because you have
I want to tell you something, guys. I'm going to tell you where I'm going to live if I've been grow up. At Big Island. It's like a waikiki.
Yeah, it is like Hawaii. It is part of Hawaii. It's called the Big Island of Hawaii. This is called Oahu. Alright, let's go further down over there. Check out where the water breaks. Let's go, man. Get up. Oh, look at that wave coming in. Let's go. Oh, excuse us. Oh, look at that, Maya. Look at that. Oh, look at that. See, it's low tide right there. You see all the reef right there? See it? It's real low tide. Normally they have surfers over here. At this time, if it's pretty big, or right, you have surfers right here.
Guys, I want to tell you something. Over there, you see that sand area right there? That's where we're going to find the very good hermit crab.
Hermit crab. Oh, okay.
Even though...
Do they bite? Do they bite the hermit crab? Do they bite?
No.
No.
I'll tell you something, guys.
What?
If we was at Big Island before, we saw what you saw? A dolphin.
Yeah,
we saw a dolphin. It was so awesome. I collect so much hermit crab. Then we ride back our waikiki.
Look how beautiful. A lot of people coming to get married. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Congratulations. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Daddy, how is this water?
Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he got the, what they call it now? The conventional going uncle over here. The conventional. Look at that. Hook up. Oh, yeah. See what he got.
Daddy.
Yeah. What's going on?
How's this water come over
Up
there?
here. Oh, well, it goes to the channel, the middle of the channel.
Oh, I see it right there.
Yeah. Oh, point up. Look at it. This is the beautiful diamond head right there. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful, yeah?
Let's not drink that water. Wow, there's so much big crab.
Wow. Oh, look at those crab. Right, look at those crab. Look at those crab right there. You see the crab right there? Look, crab. You see it? Right there?
I see it.
Right there. Oh, you call that? What kind of crab is that? Samoan crab.
Huh?
Oh, look at Samoan crab right there.
Oh, there's one little one right there.
the edge right here. You come to Hawaii all the time. I recommend all the tourists, whoever come and visit, they always gotta respect this other sign right here. See the sign, current, strong current. If in doubt, don't go out. You know, wave break. Let's sit. Look at
Look at
yeah, look at that. This is the lagoon right here.
what's going this
This is
way?
Magic Island right here.
Dad, what's the lagoon mean?
The lagoon. You wanna walk down there? Yeah, we came here before.
Yeah, you never
What is this? Seaweed, yeah. That's dead seaweed, yeah. Shell.
awesome.
Look at this. This is dead seaweed, yeah. What is this?
What's that?
Seaweed. This is seaweed. Seaweed. All dried out seaweed. Okay, let's go in the water. Let's go see what we got
Let's
there.
try out. You walk on this, what does that mean?
What's that?
This?
Yeah, these are the ones that was dead. Sometimes they get squid, you know, hiding those. See what they got there. Let's see. Yeah.
What is that right there?
Look at this. This is what is dried up.
Dad, what is that right there?
Let's
How
go.
are we gonna get up there? Oh,
Let's go.
yeah, go that way.
Oh, this is a live seaweed right here. This is a live seaweed right there. See it? This is good that they chop it up. They use tomato and onion. Yeah, right?
What's tomato?
Tomato and onion. Tomato and onion. That's what they use.
Tomato onion. If they do that, cover them.
So they have it. I'm sure about your tubbies, yeah.
Huh?
You know, grab those crabs. You're not gonna be able to walk over there because you're not tubbies on. Tubbies, you know.
What does that mean?
Tubbies like
I know tubbies, Dad. What happened if you don't walk? If you don't walk.
you don't want
with
to climb. What
tubbies?
do you got? Look. There's a crab right there. See that crab right there? Right there, a crab.
I'm gonna.
crab
Oh,
right
I
there.
got a good idea. I'm gonna walk on these.
No, you're not gonna be able to grab the crab.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I found my enemy.
Enemy. What?
Water enemy.
No.
I found spike ball. I found spike ball over
Spike
there.
ball. Yeah. Oh yeah. You don't want to step on that. Let me show you. They call this Vana. You don't want to step on this. You know, right here. Let's show. Right here. Right here. This is right here. That spiky thing right there. That is called Vana. You don't want to step on that. That thing is like a not poison, but it's a stinger. Look at that. This is another seaweed right there. It's another form of seaweed that they also have in Hawaii. Oko.
Guys, I want to say something, guys.
What you want to say?
I can touch Vanas. I know how to do it.
No, you're not going to touch
You're
Vana.
gonna. I'll tell you guys. If you got a spiky thing, you just hold
Get married
it.
here in
You
Hawaii.
just hold it on the spike and you just pick it up.
What they do is taking the pictures. They want to catch the sunset right there. The sunset is coming up, going down. Beautiful. All right. What you gonna write? Write your name. Oh, you looking for sand crab?
What? Sand crab? What's a sand?
Oh, what is that? Smiley face. Good. Come on, let's go. Wash down. Good. Get over here. Wash down.